Hi, it's Mrs. Golding, and I am in your math packet. I am on page 17, and this is the second question. I decided to kind of go back to the old school method that I was using when I first started making these videos. Sometimes it's more fun to do a little writing. In this problem, we have a quadrilateral, right? The prefix quad means four, so that means it's a four-sided polygon, and a polygon has connecting sides that are none of them are curved, right? So this is quadrilateral A, B, C, D. And the question is, show by dividing A, B, C, D into triangles that the sum of the interior angles is 360 degrees. And in other words, the fact that angle A and angle B and angle C and angle D all equal 360 degrees. Well, in order to show you that, I wanted to start with a regular triangle. And if you're in my class, we've already done this together. Your teacher, wherever you are, likely went over this. But a triangle obviously has three sides and it has three angles, right? And the really cool thing to do in class is maybe your teacher had you rip these off, but you can cut them. So I'm going to name these. I'm just going to name this A, B, and C. And I'm just going to cut them. And I want to show you the really cool thing about the interior, that means the inside angles of a triangle. Okay, notice I just clipped them off. I'm just going to get rid of this extra piece and watch what happens when I put them all together, if I did it the right way. Let's see, this angle, and this angle, A, C, B. Look what it makes. It makes a straight line. And we know that a straight line or a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. That's true of any triangle. It's kind of fun. You should try it. So we took this figure right here. I don't know if you can see it on here, but it's too big. Let's see if I can maybe cut this down a little bit. One, two. We'll just cut him off right here. He won't look exactly like the one on your paper, but we'll make him a little bit smaller so he's a little bit better. Okay, close enough, Powder Puff, right? This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So it says, show by dividing this into triangles that the sum of the interior angles is going to be 360 degrees. I think I can make a triangle from here all the way across there, right? Do you see it? So if I were to cut this, and I'm going to do it, I'm going to cut it, it's going to make this quadrilateral, which is the same as what's on your paper, into two triangles. Now remember, I told you, you could take any of these triangles, and if we were to cut here, 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 those, I could put them all together and they would add up to 180. I could do the same thing here, here, and here. I'm going to name this one A, B, C, and I'm going to name this one 1, 2, 3. Remember, this was, oh, did it flip? Ha, 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 it flipped. I guess that's D, this is C, this was a little a, right? I could put those together and make straight lines out of those angles. If you don't believe me, I want you to try it yourself. So at home, again, you could show the division right here. Now on your paper, notice you could have also drawn a line, boom, 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 right that way, and you'd have two triangles, correct? This triangle here and this triangle here. So there's more than one way to answer that question. So I think you could show that on your paper by dividing it in either of those directions. Are there others? I don't think there is, but if you find one, let me know. Have a great day.